Hey my YouTube family, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing fine. So, after so long, again after a month, I'm here and before moving further, I really wanted to, talk with you guys and show something. Yeah, my phone is okay now and it's back. It's a kind of a vlog kind of things that I'm sharing. And yeah, now I'm able to use my phone and what else you wanted to know? I was wondering to make some vlogs as well, like my daily routine and my schedule. Okay, so before moving further to, schedule, so let me tell you one thing. My schedule has been destroyed like anything means anything. I'm not able, if you guys can, identify my puffy eyes, see, it's, I'm not able to take a proper sleep, and though I'm having, a pimple here. The pimple is because I'm having, some medicine regarding my health issues and all. So, and I was wondering to, start a vlog as well, because I know, like, yeah, maybe you'll be able to see some vlogs of mine, like my daily schedule, my morning routine, my night routine, or for that I have to really wake up in the morning, and which I'm not doing. I go to sleep in the morning and I wake up in the afternoon, and which is actually affecting my health, trust me. Though I don't know, like, and yeah, if you guys can notice, then here I'm here with my short hair, and you know I've cut down my get long. You might skip this video while watching this, but yeah. Okay, so without wasting any time, let's get into the video, which is moisturizer. How to moisturize your lips. See, my lips are getting really dry. And by the way, if you guys can, yeah, see, it's my nails are not done yet. How's the shape of my nail? Just do let me know in the comment section below. Um, see, it's in the V shape, like it's in the pointed V shape. So I tried something, I did it myself. Oh, yeah. And what? Okay. I have talked a lot. Now let's get into the video. Enough of bakwas. Now let's come to the topic, which is moisturizing your lips. That will help to lighten up your lips. So as I have a dual shade of my lip, like this is really a beautiful pink color, and this is really a bad brown black color. And yeah, so that will also give you a very glowing skin. And if you're having any scar on your face, like any pigmentation on your face, like if your my pigmented area on my face is this on summers, my god, you should see my face when I go outside. This is going to be red like tomatoes, and this is going to be black like, I don't know, black like in a black. So yeah, this is my all pigmented area, and yes, I do have scars of pimples. So let's see how to make it. All you need is glycerin, and I know you all guys know, क्या बता रही हो, already पता है. So yeah, glycerin and rose water, that's it. And if you really wanted to add a few drops of lemon, so you can add that. But yeah, in this I'm really going to add, because I really wanted to lighten up my bad black lip. All you need is glycerin. Yes, all you need is glycerin, and I know you all guys know, क्या बता रही हो, already पता है. So yeah, glycerin and rose water, that's it. And if you really wanted to add a few drops of lemon, so you can add that. But yeah, in this I'm really going to add because I really wanted to, to lighten up my bad black lip. So let's see how to make it. Now take a bowl, spoon, glycerin, and 1 spoon of glycerin, you know what, I really like the fragrance of this when I make it, because I already use this, during winters. During winters I really used to moisturize my skin, my hand and my legs. And I really like the fragrance, when glycerin mixed with the rose water. Oh my god, it smells like real petal flower, rose petals. Yeah, maybe I said right. Oh, actually, I really had a very, heavy day, so that's what I'm, kind of talking to you guys. And now take a rose water. Okay, now back to the work. Okay, now I'm talking a lot, which shouldn't be there. But yeah, maybe in my vlogs you'll be see that comment. Yeah. My friends call me chatterbox. Oh, whenever I, went to meet my any friend, like, okay, yeah. So here, so my introduction starts with, so here is my chatterbox. Really, man. And all you can do, mix it well. Just mix it well. And yeah, it's all ready. But mix it really well. And take lemon, and I'm squeezing lemon into this. Okay, don't forget to take out the seeds of lemon if you're adding lemon. There, see, a few drops of lemon wood goes with that. Mix it well and keep it into a tight container. Here I'm having a Pond's cute, what container. This is empty, and I used to keep my earlier the mixture of this. So I am going to add into the same, and trust me guys, apply this for a week and you're going to love your skin, you're going to love your lips. People are really going to ask me, ma'am, what are you planning to lip? Trust me, one of my friend asked on like video chat, ma'am, seriously तूने फोटो पे कुछ नहीं लगाया? I was like, no, नहीं लगाया. इसको लगा के मेरी लिपस्टिक लगा के बैठी. Hello bro, I don't have that much time, okay? कि तुझसे बात करने के लिए मैं अभी वो लिपस्टिक लगा के बैठ के तुझसे वीडियो चैट करूँ. सीरियसली मैम, मुझे सपना आ रहा था आप मुझे कॉल करके आप मुझसे बोलोगे, तो नहीं, मतलब ठीक है, आई एम नॉट बीइंग रूड हियर, बट ओके. सो या, so that my friend asked me, मैंने नहीं लगाया. So here I'm going to add this. Okay, so here it is ready. You can see. Oh, see, now I'll show you how to apply. Now apply to your lip. Your skin as well. Make sure that do not apply around your brows and your eyes, because you have added lemon, and lemon may convert your black eyebrows and your black eyelashes into the white one, because it has, see, if you want then you can keep it for a whole night as well. And make sure whenever you're going out, do not apply this at all. Okay, so let me apply to my forehead as well. So if you want then you can apply it all over your face, your hand, and then you can go for your sleep. See, Okay guys, now you can apply to your hand as well. See, and this part, see, my this area has become black, maybe due because of some hormonal changes or some um, there's so many things. So this may lighten up your knees, the black areas as well. Guys, trust me, apply this for a week and you are, see that glossy look. My god, I really, I just love this DIY moisturizer. So guys, if you guys enjoyed watching this video, then don't forget, okay, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and do share with your friends if you really enjoyed this video. And yeah, I'll try to make this more entertaining for you all. So yeah, till then, bye bye, take care, be safe, take precautions, wash your hands, and what, love the people around you, because we never know what happen next. And yeah, just love the people around you, give love, spread love. Yeah, just that. And I'll see you in my next video. See, because it gives some heat to your skin. See, my cheeks are getting started red now. This is what happens with my skin. Okay, so bye bye, take care. I'll see you with my new vlog. Okay.